Live a life of luxury in this Terra Vista model pool home. This beautiful villa-style home has all the bells and whistles, with $139,000 in upgrades. Located at the end of a cul-de-sac in Westford Villas within the Terra Vista community. Relax in this 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage home with bonus room that can be used for whatever you desire, indoor laundry and spacious pool area with Travertine tiled fire pit deck. Crown molding and extravagant window treatments throughout. Concrete tile roof. Property is completely landscaped and maintained. Multiple upgrades, upgraded faucets, kitchen appliances, carpet, tile, and backsplash, lighting and much more. Benefit from Terra Vista amenities: golf, driving range, tennis, clubhouses, spa and fitness center, and much more. Feel at ease with the main gatehouse at the main entrance and several other coded gate entrances. Call today for a customized showing.